In today's class, we will discuss the topic of licensed chemical vendors. Licensing chemical vendors plays a crucial role in the safe distribution of chemicals, ensuring compliance with legal regulations, and safeguarding public health. Licensing chemical vendors. Licensing chemical vendors are individuals or companies authorized by law to sell chemicals to the public. These transactions often occur in designated areas, ensuring proper oversight and adherence to safety protocols. Handling and distribution of chemicals. Chemicals, due to their nature, demand careful handling. Many chemicals are corrosive and can be harmful to the human body. Therefore, licensed vendors must adhere to strict guidelines in the distribution process. Channels for distributing chemicals. 1. Producer, wholesaler, consumer. Chemicals follow a traditional supply chain from the producer through wholesalers to the end consumer. 2. Producer, consumer. In some cases, chemicals may be distributed directly from the producer to the consumer. Proper packaging is essential to prevent accidents and ensure the safety of both handlers and end users. Effects of wrong handling. 1. Damage to body parts. Incorrect handling of chemicals can lead to severe injuries or damage to body parts upon contact. 2. Crop damage. Agricultural chemicals, if mishandled, can result in crop damage, affecting farmers and the food supply chain. 3. Food poisoning. Contaminated chemicals may find their way into the food chain, causing food poisoning and threatening public health. 4. Fatality. The most severe consequence of improper chemical handling is the potential for fatalities, emphasizing the critical need for responsible practices. Production ends with the consumer. The production of goods and services concludes when these products reach the hands of the ultimate consumer. Producers manufacture goods to satisfy consumer needs, and only when consumers acquire and utilize these products can the production process be considered complete. Conclusion. Licensed chemical vendors play a crucial role in safe chemical distribution, prioritizing legal compliance, proper handling, and ethical practices. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.